facing issues with recording audio on WhatsApp on your iPhone? If your audio recordings are blank or not working, it could be due to microphone permissions, network problems, or app glitches. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix this issue and start recording on WhatsApp again. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Turn on airplane mode on and off. Clean your iPhone microphone port with a soft brush. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store. Tap Search icon. Type Check My Device on the search bar. Tap Install icon. Then tap Open. After that, tap Allow/Don't Allow. Scroll down. Now tap Microphone Test. Tap on the screen. Now tap on the record icon and try to record your voice. Then tap on the Save icon to save your voice. Now tap on the Play icon to check if it plays your voice, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it's not working, that means there is a hardware issue. Solution 2. Check microphone permission. Open up the Settings app. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on the Privacy and Security option. Now scroll down again. After that, tap on Microphone. Make sure to toggle on the WhatsApp here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 4. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available, then update the app. Hope your issue is solved now. If this video helped, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Have any questions or ideas for future videos? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.